सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। We are in Tinganta Prakarana, Tinganta Dwadi Prakarana. In that we have finished Latlakara. We are in Lit. So Babhuva, this form we did in last class. Now Bhu, Dhana, Atus. Atus is the Adesha which has come in the place of Tas. Earlier it was Bhulit, then in between step was Bhu, Dhana, Tas by Tiktaji, Tastam Bhosmas by that sutra. Then Tas was replaced by Anal, by Parasmay Padanan Nalatusanalvamaha by that sutra. So Atus is the Adesha which comes in the place of Tas. Now Atus is Ajadi. Remaining karyas will happen. So first thing is this. This is the order of Kaumudikara. In that order only we will go. Prasme Padan. So Bhu, Vuk Agama will come. That will be for Bhu Dhatu. And then Atus. From Atus, nothing will disappear. So will remain because this Navi Bhakta Tusmaha. Cannot move. Nothing. Just as it is, it will come and it will remain complete. Now Bhu, Vuk. From Vuk, Ka and U will disappear by Halantyam, Upadeshe Jananasikait, Tasya Lopaha. And only Bhu, this is what will remain. Bhu, Atus is lit lakara pratyaya, therefore lit dhator anabhyasasya, Dvitva will take place of Bhu, Atus. From Bhu, these two, both of them will get Abhyasta Saudhya. First one will get Abhyasta Saudhya by Purvobhyasa. From after getting Abhyasta Saudhya, only first Hal will remain and other Hal will disappear, that is Va will disappear by Haladi Shekha. So this sutra says that Adir Hal, Adhi Hal Shikshate. First Hal will remain. That means others will disappear. It's not that others will disappear. First will the sutra is not saying that other Hals will disappear. It is just saying that first one will remain. Haladi Shesha. Then this Bhu, Ukara will become Hrasva by sutra. Sutra is Hrasva only. Then next karya will be The abhyasa will turn into just for char. That will be ba. Yes. Abhyase, char, cha. Then ukar will turn into akar by bhavate rah, bhavate he ah. Then that's it. There is no any other sutra which can be applied. The form is ready. Babhuvatuhu. Tasarushoru kharvasanaru visarjaniya. Sakar will turn into repa, repa will turn into visarjaniya. Form is ready. Babhuvatuhu. Bhu. Dhana. Lit will turn into G. G will turn into us. By sutra, parasmay padanan nalatu thalatu sanalvamaha. That sutra. Us is lit lakara pratyaya. Therefore, lit dhatoran abhyasasya, abhyasakarya, etc. will happen. First, book agama will bring. By sutra is bhuvo bhu glum litoho. Then bhu us. Bhu us. Jitva by liti dhatoran abhyasasya. Then bhu dhana then Swaha. Then
Abhyasa charcha.
Abhyasa charcha. Then
Avetara.
Bhavatera.
Okay.
Babhuvatu. Babhuvu. Babhuva. Babhuvatu. Babhuvu. Is Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Purusha. Now Dvitiya Purusha. For Dvitiya Purusha, Bhu, Dhana, Lit. Lit is replaced by Sip. Sip is replaced by again
Parasmay padanan nalatu sanalvamaha.
so Nal Atus Thal is the pratyaya. Now from Thal only Tha will remain. Bhu Tha. La will disappear by Halantyam Tasya Lopaha. Now we have to do prakriya. First thing will happen is there is we need one more sutra here. We'll read that sutra. Yeah. For now, Bhu, Dhana, Tha, this is what is there in front of us. Now in this situation, let's read the sutra. This sutra we need to read, and then that sutra will read. Litcha, litcha, litcha. Next sutra will read. आर्धधातुकस्येड्वलादेः 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 लिट् सूत्र gives ardhadhatuka saudhnya. There was one sutra we saw that was Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. All Ting Pratyayas and Shit Pratyayas are named as Sarvadhatuka. This Sarvadhatuka is one Saudhnya given to Pratyayas. And whatever is not Ting, whatever is not Shit is named as Ardhadhatuka. So, Ting and Shit is Sarvadhatuka. And whatever is not Sarvadhatuka, whatever is not Ting or Shit is considered as Ardhadhatuka. So, what is the sutra? Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatukam, Shesha. Whatever is remaining is named as Ardhadhatuka. Now, lit is Lakara. Lakara is always replaced by Ting, Tiptaji, Siptastam, Ibwasmas, these pratyayas. So, obviously, any Lakara pratyayas are getting Sarvadhatuka Saudhnya by sutra Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. However, the Sarvadhatuka Saudhnya is not required or is not desired for lit Lakara pratyayas. Lit Lakara Ting Adesha. Ting Adesha will come for lit, for lot, lung, lut. All Lakaras it will come. It will come for lit also. And because it is Ting, that's why it will get Sarvadhatuka Saudhnya. But whenever it will come for lit Lakara, it will not get by which sutra? By Litcha Sutra. Litcha Sutra says, lit adesha ting. Ting, that which has come as the adesha for lit lakara, will be named as ardhadhatuka and not sarvadhatuka. So utsarga saudhnya is sarvadhatuka for all thing, but the thing for lit is named as ardhadhatuka. That is the meaning of this sutra. Now, the lit thing adesha is named as ardhadhatuka. Now, for ardhadhatuka, based on that ardhadhatuka saudhnya, there will be some or the other karya, otherwise there is no point giving saudhnya. So, what is the karya based on ardhadhatuka saudhnya? So, this is the sutra. Ardhadhatukasya it valadehe. And this is it agama will happen. It agama bhu it, and so this is what will happen. Valadehe ardhadhatukasya. Ardhadhatuka pratyaya which is named as ardhadhatuka, starting with val. So, vara, la, yamangana, na, jabha, ghadada, kapashata, kapashakasa, ha, up to that. So, ha, ya, vara, ha, ya. Yakara is excluded. Rest of the all consonants are included in val. So, in val, whatever the consonants are there, from those consonants, if these consonants are there at the beginning of ardhadhatuka pratyas, then it agama will come. This it agama will come. Just in short, we have to remember here is, there is ardhadhatuka pratyaya and it is starting with kind of consonant. Then there will come it agama. That is the rule. So this is the meaning of this sutra. Valadehe ardhadhatukasya it agamah syat. Valadehe ardhadhatukasya pratyayasya it agamah syat. Yasya ardhadhatuka pratyayasya adau val pratyaya varnah asti tasya it agamah bhavati. This is the meaning. Any ardhadhatuka pratyaya which has one letter at the beginning, that pratyaya will get it agama. Now here, this tha which has come in the place of lit, and because it is lit adesha thing, it gets ardha dhatuka saudhya by litcha sutra. So direct ardha dhatuka saudhya is there. Because it has ardha dhatuka saudhya, therefore, and it has val pratyahara later at the beginning, that's why it gets it agama. This we have to remember. Along with this, one more thing we have to remember. Like now we come to know that Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas will get it agama. This is the rule. At the end, what rule we are getting? Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya will get it agama. This is rule. That is what is being conveyed by this sutra. But not everywhere Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya will get it agama. But the sutra is conveying this meaning that Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya will get it agama. Now, second statement I am making, that not always all Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas will get it agama. So when will they get it agama? Or what are all it Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas will get it agama? So suppose there are multiple Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas. There are many. Like here itself we can get this thal. No, not here. But there are some other pratyayas like sya will come, tas will come, next fuel, lut and lut. So those pratyayas are Valadi ardha dhatuka. But some of the Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas will get it agama. Some of the Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas will not get it agama. This sutra does not tell us that which Valadi ardha dhatuka will get it or which Valadi ardha dhatuka will not get it. It is just simply saying that any Valadi ardha dhatuka that will get it. So there is a list, or we have to separate Valadi ardha dhatuka plus there will be dhatus which will be mentioned as I have to use the word set. Set is the word ita sahita, means that which has been yasya it vihitah tah, yasya it vihitah. It can be pratyaya as well as dhatu. So I will explain now. Pratyaya which gets it is called set. Pratyaya which gets it, that pratyaya is called set. Pratyaya which does not get it is called anit. Pratyaya which does not get it is called anit. So Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyayas get it, that's why they are called set pratyaya. Now there will be few dhatus. Whenever these dhatus will come in front of these set pratyayas, then it will be vihita. Then it will be vihita. So there are 2000 dhatus. Some of these dhatus are given it agama, or whenever they come in the contact with set pratyaya, that time only it agama happen. Suppose pratyaya is set, but dhatu is not set, then also it agama will not happen. Pratyaya is set, dhatu is not set, it is anit. If they come together, it will not happen. It agama will not happen. Suppose dhatu is set, but pratyaya is anit, again it will not come. Pratyaya is also set, dhatu is also set, then only it agama will happen. So here, thal is Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya which is set, because set is vihita in ardha dhatuka set Valadi hai. Bhu dhatu is also set, that's why. it is coming here. There will be some pratyas, dhatus. Thal is set, but dhatu is anit. That's why it will not come. This we have to remember. So sometimes that will happen, that later soon we will see that pratyay is set and yet we are not doing it agama because dhatu is not set. And there is like the later Vaiyakaranas have collected these set pratyaya set dhatus. But there is no particular sutra, yes or no, to say. There is a list we have to remember that these dhatus, these pratyayas are set, anit, and weight also is there, this third thing. But these two things we have to remember. Dhatu is set, pratyay is set, then only it agama will happen. Either of them is not set, then it will not happen. This is the meaning. Now, bhu, dhatu, thal, pratyaya, it comes because thal pratyaya is valadi ardha dhatuka. Bhu, dhana, ikara will become adi avayava of thal, so it will become itha. Now it is ajadi. Pratyaya is ajadi. Therefore, sutra will be applied. Which sutra will apply?
Liti anabhyas. Liti anabhyas.
No, we will bring mukagama. By sutra. Then bhu, itha, vitva by iti dhatoran abhyasasya. Then bhu, itha, adihal, aladishesha. Then Arsva. Next. Abhyase charcha. Next. Bhavateraha. One is ready. Babhuvitha. Bhu. Dhana. Lit will be replaced by tha. Sip, tha will come. Now, here, this adesha is akara. Akara for tha pratyaya. A is adesha. Nal, atus, us. Hal, atus, a. A is the adesha. But we are supposed to bring in the place of, for this thakara, tha pratyaya. But there is one problem. Earlier, all adeshas are this anekal. Nal, atus, us, thal, athus. These all are anekal. A is ekal. A is ekal. So, anekal shit sarvasya. Anekal and shit adeshas come and they replace everything. The whole complete sthani is replaced. If it is ekal, then it becomes the ending part. And ade parasya. If it is vihita of para, then it will become the adi. Alontyasya ade parasya alontyasya ade parasya. These are the two sutras. Al ekal antyasya alha adesha bhavati. Whatever adesha will come to the last. Adehe parasya. If suppose the adesha is vihita to the sthani which is next in front, then it will become, or it will come in the place of first letter of whatever is there, that sthani. So tha is para, and this adesha is vihita dhatoho nal atus us thal atus a nal va ma. The vritti goes like this. Dhatoho litah parasmay padanam tingam nal atus us thal atus a nal va ma iti adeshaha syu. That's how the vritti will go. Dhatoho is the adhikara. Dhatoho litah परस्मै पदानां तिंग प्रत्ययानां स्थाने नल अतुस उस थल अथुस अ नल व म इति एते आदेशाः भवेयुः स्युः. So for tha, now this is dhatoh means dhatoh parasya parasmay padasya ayam adeshah syat. That's how the meaning comes. So after dhatu, that which is there in that or in the place of that, this adesha will happen. So it is para. Sthani is para. If sthani is para, then adesha will come to the adi varna and not the ending varna. Generally it comes for the last letter by alontyasya. But ade parasya becomes apavada for that. And then after applying this, bhu tha tha bhu tha will be replaced by a. What we have to use is parasmay padanam nala usus ala ustanal vamaha. And one more sutra, that is ade parasya. Ade parasya. That's why only thakara gets replaced by akara. Now this is what the situation we get. Bhu, between akara and akara, one sandhi takes place, that is
Ato gune.
ato gune, correct. Akara means ato gune. Now bhu there is lit lakara in front of bhu dhatu. It is ajadi lit, that's why we will do vuk agama. Sutra is
Bhuvo vidya vidya.
bhu blum lito bhu bhu gitwa by
Niti dhato anabhyas.
iti dhator anabhyasasya. Then adi bhu shishyate.
Haladi shesha.
Haladishesha.
Haladishesha. Then
Hrasva.
So,
then
Abhyase chacha.
Then
Bhavaterah.
Bhavaterah. Then form is ready. Babhuva. This is Prathama Purusha Ekvachana is also Babhuva. Ditiya Purusha Bahuvachana is also Babhuva. One more Babhuva will come. Yes.
Ji, have we skipped Madhyam Purush Dvivach?
Oh, did you skip? We skipped. Athus. Okay, immediately we will do that prakriya. We skipped the Dvivachana. Who? Athus is the Adesha for this sip. First is replaced by Athus. Athus is Anekal Shet Sarvasya. It will replace complete first. Will get Athus. It is Ajadi. That's why Vuk Agama will come. By Sutra.
Bhuvo Guglam Lito.
Vuk Glum Lito. Then Vitva
Bhavaterah.
Liti Dhato. Bhu will, okay, Haladi Shesha. Then
Tasva.
right, Tatva. Then Abhyas se Charcha. Then
Bhavaterah.
Bhavaterah. Form is ready. Babhuvatvo Tasavishuru Karavasanayor Visarjaniya. Then this Bahuvachana we framed. Again Bhu Dhana Nal. परस्मय पदानां नलतुसु स्थलत स्थनल्वमाह नल अतुस उस स्थल अतुस अणल again उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन नल आदेश comes in the place of mip. So first it was lit was replaced by mip is replaced by again nal lakara will disappear, nakara will disappear, and only a will remain. Now we have to do the prakriya. Bhu. Again, Vuk will come by sutra.
Bhuvo Guglam Lito.
Bhu Guglum Litoho. Bhu.
लिपि धातुरनभ्यासः
Liti Dhaturanabhyasasya.
Adishesha.
Aladishekah.
Tasva.
Tattva.
Abhyaterah.
Abhyase Charcha.
Bhavaterah.
Bhavaterah. Form is ready. Babhuva. Bhu Dhana. Lit will be replaced by was will be replaced by Anal wa ma will come. Now again here, what will be the sutra? It agama will happen.
आर्धधातुकस्य वि
Ardha धातुकस्य वलादेः. Now we have ajadi pratyaya bhu dhana iva. Vuk agama will happen by sutra. जी
in Laghu book Bhuvo Dirka is there Bhu.
There bhuva uglung lito ho.
Yes.
No. Then it is wrong. It is जी. It is not dirgha, it is hrasva. By that uvang adesh happens, so we get hrasva ukara. Yeah. So now next step will be bhu iva. Shitva will happen by it is dhaturan abhyasasya. Next
Haladi Shesh.
that is clear na Purna ji?
Ji, corrected it in my book.
Now Haladi sorry Rasva.
Abhyas mein charcha. Rasya.
अभ्यासे चर्चा. Then
Bhavaterah.
भवतेरः भवतेरः बभूविव. Bhu dhana lit will be replaced by must. Must will be replaced by ma. It is lit. Now first thing we will do is it agama by sutra.
आर्धधातुकस्य वलादेः
वलादे. आर्धधातुकस्य वलादे है. Who now we have ajadi pratyaya. That's why book agama will come by sutra.
Wo ling later.
वो बुक ग्लुम लिटो हो. भू भू ma gitwa by it is dhaturan abhyasasya. Ma first al will remain by aladishesha. Then it will become hrasva. Abhyasa ach will become hrasva by sutra. hrasva Then अभ्यासे चर्चा. Then भवतेरः. And form is ready. बभूविम. बभूव. बभूवतुः. बभूवुः. बभूविथ. बभूवतुः. बभूवतुः. बभूव. बभूव. बभूविम. So the 9 forms. Lit lakara gets over here. That's it. Babhuvima is the last. So, 400 sutra is over. Let's move to the next sutra. Next lakara is lut lakara. Lut lakara is bhavishyat kala. Let's read the sutra, then we will see the meaning. Anadyatane lut. Anadyatane lut. Anadyatane lut. Lut lakara will come in the meaning of anadyatana bhavishyat kala. Kala which will happen in future. Which will happen. So future tense. In the meaning of future, lut lakara comes. Now which future? So anadyatana. The future which is not adyatana. Adyatana future means not happened yet but will happen today itself. It's called adyatana bhavishyat. But not happened yet and will happen after today is called anadyatana. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or after tomorrow, whenever it will happen in future, for that lut lakara will be used. There is one more bhavishyat, that is lut. It will come in general. So for today's bhavishyat kala, we can use lut. But we cannot use lut for today's bhavishyat kala. So in that sense, bhavishyat kala but not of today. In that sense, to express that kala, lut lakara comes. Bhavishyati anadyatane. Okay. Anadyatane bhavishyati kale और कालार्थे धातोः लुट् लकारः स्यात्. May lut lakara come after dhatu to express bhutakala which is not adyatana. That is the meaning. For dhatu, what dhatu we have taken is bhu. Dhana, lut has come. Now immediately first work is lut will be replaced by tip. Tip, tiptaji, tiptastha by these pratyas. Dhatu is parasmay pada, that's why parasmay pada pratyas will come, atmane pada pratyas will not come. Bhu, tip, in this situation pa will disappear, he will remain. Halantyam tasya lopah. Next is, there is one common sutra we had seen, that is kartari shap. Whenever this lakkarmani cha bhave cha karmakebhya by this sutra, we saw lakara pratyaya will come in the sense of karta, karma or bhava. These are the different senses or meanings. To express these different meanings, lakara pratyaya will come. Now whenever lakara will come in the sense of karta, then kartar and that lakara adesha is sarvadhatuka. Then shap agama, shap pratyaya will come. It is nor completely pratyaya nor completely agama or something. It is middle pratyaya which comes in this case only. That will come. What is the condition? Dhatu. After dhatu there is this kartrarthaka lakara pratyaya. Kartrarthaka lakara pratyaya after dhatu. Then in between shap pratyaya will happen. That is the meaning of kartari shap. Kartari shap. Just a second. Kshamyatam Swamiji. This battery is running out of. This app requires a lot of energy. So this asks for kartrarthaka sarva dhatuka pratyaye pare sati धातोः शप् इति विकरण प्रत्ययः स्यात्. This is the meaning. Kartari Shap Sutra tells, when there is kartrarthaka sarvadhatuka pratyaya in front of dhatu, then after dhatu again in between shap pratyaya will come. This is the utsarga vidhi. Utsarga pratyaya is shap. Now bhu, tip has come in the sense of karta. We have brought it in the sense of karta. Means lut was brought in the sense of karta. That is the tip is the replacement for lut. Now after dhatu, kartrarthaka sarvadhatuka pratyaya is there. That's why shap is prapta. For that, apavada comes next sutra by next sutra. Let's read this. Syatasil lutoho. Syatasil lutoho. Syatasil lutoho. Syatasi lulutoho. Lung, there is one lakara. Lut, there is another lakara. These both are addressed as lu. This. Lung and lut, both of them are addressed by lu. So lu cha, lut cha, cha, lut cha, lulutau. That will be the shabda. Now this lu, I cannot type with this keyboard. I have to copy. This is the vigraha. Lucha, lutcha, luluta. Lung and lut are represented by lung. Lu and lut together are called luluto. Tayoho, lulutoho, dhatoho, tayoho, lulutoho. Syatasi etau pratyayau stha. Kada? Lulutoho paratah. Tasmat paratah, dhatoho paratah. So after dhatu, if there is lu or lut pratyayas, then sya and tas, these two vikarana pratyayas will come in between. Okay. Sya is one pratyaya, that is vikarana pratyaya, and tasi is another. So tasi eventually remains tas. Okay. So sya and tas, these are the two vikarana pratyayas which become apavada of kartari shap. Kartari shap, general, it comes for all dhatus whenever it is getting followed by this kartrarthaka sarvadhatuka pratyayas. But if that kartrarthaka sarvadhatuka pratyaya is of lung lakara or of lut lakara or of lut lakara, then shap vikarana will not come, but what will come? Sya and tas. These two vikarana pratyas will come. So sya will come for whom? Lung and lut. For them, sya will come. And tas will come for lut. Tas will come for lut. Here was the situation what we had got. Bhu dhana lut. Lut was replaced by tip. Bhu dhana ti remained. Now here shap was prapta by kartari shap, but the apavada sutra was read kyatasi lutoho. For lu, sya will come. For lut, tas will come. So here it will come tasi. Tasi is tas. We will just put direct tas only. Tas becomes vikarana pratyaya. For lut lakara. Tas becomes vikarana pratyaya for lut lakara. Now we have got this bhu dhana tas dhana ti. This much. Vritti. We will read the vritti. Dhatoho syatasi sya syacha syascha tasischa syatasi. That is dvivachana. Syascha tasischa. Tasi will be hrasva ikaranta. Pullinga it will be declined. So syascha tasischa syatasi. That is dvivachana. Prathama bhakti dvivachana. Etau dvau vikarana pratyayo. Granthakara has written pratyayo. So that is vikarana pratyaya. Vikarana is particular saudhnya given to these types of pratyayas which come between dhatu and pratyaya. Pratyayau staha. Imau pratyayau staha. Kau sya tasi. Iti imau. Kada dhatoho after dhatu lulutoho parataha. If there is lung or lut lakara or lut lakara. Shabadyapavadaha. It is apavada of shap, etc. So there are some other vikarana pratyas also, but these two will become apavada for all of them. Then the spashtikarana is given for lu. Lu iti lung lutor grahanam. Lung lutor grahanam. Lung is hetu hetumad bhavishyat. You will see that lut is famous. Lut is famous for general. In general, we use that aham gamishami, sahakarishyati, sakhadishyati, dhavishyati, etc. Grahanam. How we are supposed to understand lut? That explanation is given by Granthakara. That we are supposed to understand two lakaras by lut. And lut is obvious. No need for that explanation. So now we have the situation bhu, dhana, tas, dhana, ti. This much is clear?
You were typing it about.
Ji Swamiji?
Weren't you typing it in the previous one?
Yeah, I typed it. Now, yeah, again, one more sutra we will read. That this sutra. Let's read the sutra. We need to do the idagama. Ardhadhatukam sheshah. Ardhadhatukam sheshah. Ardhadhatukam sheshah. We had seen sutra Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, and after that this sutra comes Ardhadhatukam Sheshah. Ting and Shit will be named as Sarvadhatuk. Whatever is remaining will be named as Ardhadhatuka. So this is the sutra. So that which is not Ting, that which is not Shit will be named as Ardhadhatuka. Okay. Now Sya and this Tasi, both of them are not Ting. They are not counted in Ting. They are separate. Also, they are not having Shakara as it. They are not Shit. That's why they are Shesha. They are not covered in Ting or Shit. That's why they are Shesha, and that's why they get Ardhadhatuka Saudhnya. Also, one more set of pratyas got Ardhadhatuka Saudhnya, that is Litcha and Lit. Adeshas also will be named as Ardhadhatuka. That was one sutra. This sutra says that which is not ting, that which is not shit, is shesha, and that will be named as ardhadhatuka. So it is named as ardhadhatuka. So tas is ardhadhatuka. Tas pratyaya is ardhadhatuka. Ardhadhatuka, because it is ardhadhatuka, and it is valadi ardhadhatuka. It is valadi ardhadhatuka. That's why the sutra we will apply ardhadhatuka sed valadehe, and we will do idagama. Bhu dhana tas dhana ti bhu dhana it tas ti. It is the agama of tas. It will become adi avayava of tas. So far, this tas sakara, for that we are going to work next, but the steps we have to remember. Bhu. Now it, from it only ikara will remain I and tas. T is there as it is. What brought it agama? Sutra is ardhadhatuka state valade. Ardhadhatuka state valade. First we gave ardhadhatuka saudhya to tas, and then we brought it agama. Bhu itas is there. Now next sutra will do adesha to this ti. Let's read. Luta prathamascha rasah. Luta prathamascha rasah. Luta prathamasya darau rasah. Lutaha prathamasya darau ras. Iti ete adesha syu. Lutaha lut prakarasya prathamasya iti prathama purushasya purusha. It is purushasya, that is prathama purusha pratyayanam. Pratyayanam. Da rau ras iti ete adeshaha. For lut lakara, the prathama purusha pratyaya be replaced by da, rau and ras. These three. So bhu itasti, ti is lut pratyaya. That lut pratyaya will be replaced by da. So bhu dhana itas dhana ti will be replaced bhu dhana itas da. Anekal will come in the place of everything. This clear?
Yes.
Now, in this da, dakara is adi varna, that is ka varga varna. Therefore, it will get it saudhya by it is chutu. Pratyadyo chutu itaustha. Tavarga letter at the beginning of pratyaya will get its saudhya tasya lopaha, and it will disappear. So bhu dhana itas and a is there now. Da is dit pratyaya. Da is dit pratyaya. Wherever this ditva is done, if it is that dit, whatever is dit, is preceded by bha saudhnyaka anga yachibham. If anga is having bha saudhnya and it is getting followed by dit pratyaya, then that bha saudhnyaka anga loses its T bhaga, the T ansha disappears if there is dit pratyaya in front of bha saudnyaka anga. That is the meaning. Now, this that we have already seen in Subanta Prakriya. There is one more. Next, we have to extension. We have to see the extension. The sutra for that is Tehe. Tehe sutra says that Bhasaudnyakasya angasya diti pare sati Tehe lopah syat. May T bhaga of Bhasaudnyaka anga get disappeared if it is or when it is followed by dit pratyaya. So here it is dit, but itas is not, or bhu itas up to this portion is not having bha saudnya. It is not having bha saudnya. Because bha saudnya is given to this, whenever there are ajadi pratyayas are there in front of it. Sup pratyayas are there in front of it. These are not sup pratyayas. This particular da pratyaya is not sup pratyaya. So, anga is not having bha saudnya. If anga is not having bha saudnya, then T bhaga will not disappear. The Tehe sutra, very sutra says that bha saudnya kasya angasya T bhagasya lopasya. Here, bha saudnya is not possible for itas. But then there is no prayojana in this da pratyaya, da adesha. There is no prayojana of dakara. There is no point in making dakara as it in this adesha. There is no any other use. Simply a also would have been mentioned and it would have worked. Or cha also, and yet the work would have been done. The very reason da is read as it here by Maharshi Paniniji, it indicates that we must make T bhaga of anga disappear. And this is very famous in Vyakarana. Ditva samarthyat abhasya api tehe lopah. Since ditva is done by Maharshi Paniniji, that the very reason makes us to make that T bhaga disappear from anga. And that's why in this situation, itas will rule as pratyaya. So, bhu, it, as will remain, disappear, a will remain. That's it. Now, bhu will turn into bho by this sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Bho will turn into bhav by echo yavayavaha. Bhav, bhavita, bhavita. That's it. Form will be ready. Bhavita. Prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Prathama purusha ekvachan. Bhavita. I think we should stop here. Should we stop here, Swamiji?
Yes.
We'll do Shanti Patha. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swami.